So let's go through Sephora's holiday sets. I feel like during the sale, the holiday sets is like what really gets me. Like this is the part of the sale that I'm like, okay, there's so many things that I want to buy. So today we're going to dive into the holiday sets. I'm going to tell you guys my favorite ones. We're going to go over the ones that are available. I do think that this is the perfect time to buy holiday sets because these are good gifts. Christmas is coming. I don't know, everybody's like born around this time too, like a lot of birthdays come too. So I feel like this is the perfect time to like stock up on those holiday gifts or birthdays throughout the year, you know, like you can get some pretty cool little sets. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the holiday sets from Sephora. All right, so I'm gonna go over my favorite ones. So I'm gonna kind of like look through here and I'm gonna see if there's anything that I like. I also filmed some of them when I was at the store. So if I have an actual image of what it looks like, I'll put it up on the screen. There wasn't that many at my Sephora, to be honest. I think people have already gone crazy and bought a lot of them, but like it's a little early because the sale starts like now. So anyways, so the Sephora favorite set. So this is a $45 set. It's like $127 value. So it has a Patrick Ta lip gloss, also one from Rare Beauty. It has a Huda Beauty lip liner, it looks like. Charlotte Tilbury. It has Glossier. It has a Pat McGrath lipstick, and it also has a lip plumper. So it has a bunch of interesting things, something from Tarte. So actually it's not a bad set. It has some pretty items in it. That's a cute little holiday gift. That is definitely one that I would definitely say that could be a really fun gift. Charlotte Tilbury always has her cute little on-the-go set. Like Charlotte Tilbury is like one of those like elegant brands. So if you get it for like your mom or you get it for your grandmother. So it's an $82 value for $54. You're getting a lip liner, lipstick, a blush. You're getting the mascara and you're also getting an eyeliner. This is a really, really cute little set. Obviously, most of these are probably minis. You probably aren't even getting like one full size. So usually these are created with like minis. So just FYI, but they're usually pretty good. Ooh, so Milk Makeup has a cute little set. It's the Lip and Cheek MVPs. It has 2 of their lip and cheek products, and that is $25. That's actually really cute. It's a $48 value. I actually really love the Milk Makeup bronzers, so those are really good. Ooh, there's the Sephora Glitz and Glam makeup set. So it's $128 value for $49. And inside of it, you're getting a product. You're getting the mini prep and set hydrating from Iconic London. You're getting a brow wax from Benefit, the Glow Recipe mini watermelon glow necktie drops. You're getting a velour and effortless lash in Mini Me, the Ilia mini liquid powder eyeshadow. You're getting a Huda Beauty mini lip contour, Glossier lash stick, a Kosas mini wet lip oil, and an LYS Beauty mini higher standard cream blush. So yeah, that's a lot of products in there. That's actually a really nice one. I think that's a really good one for $49. That's a really cute little pack. Okay, so the Charlotte Tilbury double of her setting spray. I know a lot of people really love this setting spray. I haven't tried it yet. I actually was considering buying this because so many people love it. Then there's also from Rare Beauty, the Blush and Glow little set. I know a lot of people like Selena Gomez in general. So if you have a sister or somebody who loves Selena, that's a really cute little present because it is from her brand. Charlotte Tilbury has her Superstar. This is a $36 value for $32. So you're not saving, you're saving a few dollars. It has her blush and her light wand in it. So it has 2 different products to try out. Oh, this is a good one. So Laneige, I love this set. This has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 lip masks in it, okay? So this is great for your grandmother, your sister, like somebody like that. Like I think I'm gonna buy probably like 3 of these as holiday gifts because I feel like these are essentials. I use my Laneige lip mask every single night and everybody I have gifted it to has loved it. So I think that that is a great gift. Like that one is like #1. Let's see. The Sephora Advent Calendar honestly looks to me like it has just a lot of masks in it. I don't know if you guys are into masks, but I don't know, to me it's whatever. It's $49, but I do know people like masks, but it looks like basically it's all masks. Ooh, so Makeup Forever has a $55 value for $35. A lot of their artist color pencils. So it comes in a lot of colors. You have black, white, brown. A lot of colors here, so you can use these as eyeliners or lip liners, which is always kind of cool. So Makeup by Mario actually has a Moisture on the Glow. He has actually 3 different variations of this. So it's a lip serum, and also a lip balm. So you can get it in different colors depending on which one you like. That's actually really cute. So Charlotte Tilbury has a Lucky Chest, a $255 value for $210. But you're getting a lot of stuff in here. You're getting like her setting spray, you're getting the blush, you're getting the light one, you're getting the water cream, you have a serum, you have a brush. I mean, seriously, you got a lot of stuff in this package. So like if you're buying for somebody who loves Charlotte Tilbury, that's a really easy way to just get like a lot of products. Sol de Janeiro, this is a great gift. I love their Bum Bum Cream, and this has the Bum Bum Cream, the Bum Bum Scrub. It has one of their fragrances, and it's $101 value for $68. So this is a great one for the sale, especially to give as a gift. That's what I think. So this is a really nice one. I actually saw this one in person. It is the Sephora Ultimate Holiday Hair Hydration, and it actually has some of their best hydrating products for the hair. It's $121 value for $48. I know they're like minis, but you could try a bunch of different hair products to add hydration to the hair. And I think that's important because it's nice to try the products out first before investing in them. So I do think that's a really nice little gift. So then we have the Sephora favorite set. This one is $184 value for $58. And in here you have a Huda Beauty product. You have the Flawless Filter, the spray from Charlotte Tilbury again, product from Amika. You have a blush from Milk Makeup, Lawless's Forget the Filler. You got a lot of really, really nice products in this one. So this one is also one that I think is really, really, really nice. Okay, so this I like. Okay, so Sephora actually has really nice brushes, and this is a pro brush set for $95. It's a $202 value, and it comes with a bunch of different brushes, and it's from their pro line. So this is cool. And I think Sephora collection has an extra deal during the sale, so look into that, especially if you're thinking of buying this set. So Tasha has their, this is the Plumping Dewy Skin Essentials for Dry and Combination Skin. It's a cute little essentials kit for $87. So Tasha's a really, really nice brand. I know a lot of people like it. That's a really nice gift as well. What else do we have? Something that I find to be interesting. There's a few products here, but I'm like, like, I don't know, like they're okay. Let's see. Oh, so LYS has a blush set, and I think that's one highlighter that you can get 3 of them. It's the Higher Standard Deluxe Cream Blush Trio. Just kidding, they're all blushes. And actually it's really cute. That one's actually nice, I like that. So Amika's Hair Repair. I haven't tried this yet, but I actually own it. Haven't tried it yet though. $63, and it comes with all the items for the hair repair. So that's actually kind of like a cool gift. Ooh, best one, Lawless Forget the Filler. Love this product. It's $27, you get 3 minis. I love this. I actually have purchased this before. Not last year, I think it was the year before. I got this as a set during the holidays event, same thing, and I loved it. I've used them like crazy. I throw them in my purse. So actually it's great because if you want the mini version just to throw in your purse, it's the best. It's the best. Like I would 100% say that is a great even gift to yourself. Okay, so Living Proof has a double here. So this is the Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo Duo Set. I actually use this. I try not to use dry shampoo that much, but when I do, it's Living Proof. It's $41 and it's like an 80-something value, so that's a good deal as well. Okay, so this isn't a gift set, but the mini bronze, I think that's a really good idea to give as a gift to somebody, just because I think it's like the perfect colors from the bronze palette, and it's a great gift. So there's a brow care kit from Anastasia for $30 from $49. It comes with, it looks like it comes with a full size of the Brow Wiz and a mini Brow Genius Brow Serum. KVD, I love this product. So this actually has the tattoo eyeliner and the liquid liner. So I love the liquid liner, and I also think the eyeliner is really great. So I think this is a great value, $29 from a $48 value. Plus, if you can get it on sale, this is a good gift for myself. So this is another great This is another great gift for a grandparent or somebody. It's the Sugar Scrubs. They're for the lips. They're really, really good. So this is a $65 value for $43. So that's another really good product. I really like the Valentino lipsticks, and I think this is a great idea. So they're giving you 1 lipstick and then 2 refills for $75. So you actually get to try 3 of them, I believe. So I like this one too, the Brazilian Bum Bum Jet Set. So it's $30, and it comes with a bunch of really cool products from the Brazilian Bum Bum stuff. And I mean, you're saving like a few dollars, but I like it. I think it's cute. The AirRub Attachment Upgrade Kit. What does that mean? A kit that upgrades your Dyson AirRub styler with attachments re-engineered for faster, easier styling. This is really interesting. I need to read what this is. Does this make the old air wrap into like a new air wrap? Like that you don't have to switch the attachments anymore? Oh my God, if somebody knows if that's what this does, let me know, because then maybe this is what I need to buy. Honestly, guys, I think that's like the best items that I can see. I'm sure they're gonna add more. They usually do add more as it gets closer to the holidays. I'm hoping that Benefit adds a brow pencil that has like 2 brow pencils in a package. They usually do that, and that's usually something that I usually run and buy, but it does not look like they have one. But also remember, Black Friday is coming. So if you can't get your favorite products, like the stuff that you use all the time on Sephora during the Sephora sale, hold out for Black Friday, because you could probably get those brow pencils and everything on Black Friday. But anyways, that is my holiday gift sets. I don't think there's like amazing ones. There's like some good ones, but like, is there like amazing ones? I think they're like okay. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. If you saw one that you like better that I did not mention, that's new, leave it also. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.